Resistivity of a wire. Set the Lockmaster power unit to 3 volts output. The basic equipment provided for this experiment is a voltmeter, a Vernier caliper, crocodile clip, a jockey, a multimeter to be used as an ammeter, 5 leads and wire stretched on a measured board. Using a Vernier caliper correctly. First, the caliper has to be turned on to activate the LCD display, and the locking screw must be released to ensure smooth operation. There are 2 scales on the caliper itself, one in inches and one in millimeters. Use the millimeter scale only. As the wheel is turned to move the caliper jaws apart, you can see the readings changing on the caliper itself. This can be zeroed at any point by the zero control. Before making an initial reading, ensure that the jaws of the caliper are completely closed and that 0 is registered on the LCD display. To ensure an accurate reading, the wire itself must be free of kinks and under mild tension. This is achieved by using the guitar tuners at the end of the measured board. Sampling the diameter of the wire to ensure an accurate diameter measurement is done in at least 5 places along the wire. Make sure that the Vernier caliper is zeroed before use and that the locking screw is released. Ensure that the Vernier caliper is at 90 degrees to the wire. Making this video, the caliper is slightly angled so that the readings are visible to the camera. Assembling the circuit. Firstly, assemble the series circuit including the wire itself, the ammeter, the jockey and the power pack. Make sure the wire is inserted into the correct terminal on the ammeter for milliamps. Ensuring that the reading on the ammeter is in the positive scale and there is no negative symbol in front of the reading on the ammeter. Then wire the voltmeter in parallel to this circuit across the jockey and the terminal for the wire. Again, ensuring there is a positive value registered on the ammeter when readings are taken. The circuit is now complete and readings can be taken. In order to obtain accurate readings, the jockey must be used correctly. The tip of the jockey must not be laid across the wire at an angle, and it must not be slid along the wire between readings. Keep the jockey tip at 90 degrees to the wire, and always remove the jockey between readings. Failure to do this will cause the wire to heat up and may breach health and safety considerations. Here is an example of taking readings using this equipment. The initial measurement at 10 centimeters along the wire may be inaccurate or unsteady in its reading. Only take the data from 20 centimeters onwards. Take at least 6 readings. As scientists, we should follow good laboratory practice. Turn off all meters used and return equipment to the basket provided, remembering to turn off and unplug the power supply.